In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide columns in Excel. This is a simple Excel task, but it is very useful when you want to clean up your worksheet and keep certain information out of view without deleting it. Hiding a column can make your spreadsheet look more organized, especially if you are working with extra data that you do not need to see all the time. To begin, look at the top of your spreadsheet where the column letters appear. These letters label each column and help you identify the one you want to work with. Find the column you would like to hide. For example, if you want to hide column C, move your cursor to the letter C at the top of the sheet. Once you are on the correct column letter, right-click directly on it. Make sure you are clicking the letter itself, not one of the cells inside the column. This will open a pop-up menu with several options related to that column. If you right-click inside the worksheet by mistake, you may see a different menu, so it is important to click on the column header at the top. From the pop-up menu, select Hide. As soon as you click it, Excel will hide that entire column from view. The column will not be deleted, and the data inside it will still remain in the spreadsheet. It simply will not be visible on the screen. After the column is hidden, you will notice a small visual change at the top of the sheet. The column letters will skip over the hidden one. So if column C was hidden, the labels will jump from B straight to D. You will also see a double vertical line between those column letters. That line is Excel's way of showing you that a column is hidden in that spot. This is helpful because it lets you quickly identify where hidden columns are located. If you are reviewing a worksheet later, that visual indicator makes it easier to understand why the letters are not in normal order. That is the full process. Right-click the column letter, choose Hide, and Excel will remove that column from view while keeping the data intact. It is a fast and effective way to simplify your spreadsheet layout. That covers everything you need to know.